Hello guys. So I have finally um drew my guy in full color. Um you can just look at the on my channel, it's there. You can look at it and all. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I like it. Of course my a friend of mine was there and gave me a couple of ideas for what to do. And I like the way it turned out. I might be making some subtle changes later on, but I really like it. This is also kind of an update video. Um, I might be deleting my Cult of the Lamb video because I don't know why, but the save that I was using got deleted. And so I will be deleting the video, but not to worry, it was one of my most viewed videos. So I will be making a new one, but I will, like, yeah, it won't be the greatest. As always, it won't be the greatest quality. My mic is still really bad. I have my headphones on the side of my computer, but yeah, just wanted to update you guys on how things have been working. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.